Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I see somebody left a comment saying they got approved for the Capital One secured credit card, but I want to show them because they said, how do they make a payment? So I want to show them exactly how they can make a payment. And if you guys have a Capital One credit card, I want to tell you a few things about making your payments. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can just make an ACH payment, ACH transfer, which that means they're going to take the money out of your account. Any bank that you have, you just need your account number and your routing number. And then they're going to go ahead and pay off your credit card. Now, with Capital One, as soon as you set up that ACH saying, hey, make that payment, that money should be available to you right away, even if it takes them a few days to actually get the money from your bank account. It's going to be available to you right away. So you can do that online, or you can actually set that up in person if you have one of the Capital One banks near you, or you can just call them. So you can call them and say, hey, here's my account number, here's my route number, I need to pay my bill. And again, if you have cash, you can go ahead and pay with cash. Just go into one of the nearby locations, and then you should be able to pay it. You can pay by check, and I'm going to make sure I have that address where you'll have to send a payment in by checks. You can pay by check. So you can go ahead and mail your payment in. But when you mail the payments in, you guys, I don't like mailing payments in. It's just, it can get lost in the mail. Anything can happen. I'd rather just have them take it directly out of the account. But I'll have that address for you guys here. You guys can do it with the mobile bill pay. So if you guys, it's kind of like a check too, but like if you with a bank, they'll be able to send a check to Capital One to pay off that bill. So you can do it that way. And they'll just take the money out of your account. They usually mail the check, and it's usually free to do it that way. So you can do the mobile bill pay, or you can just pay online. Like I said, too, pay online, provide them with your bank account information or your debit card details, and then they can take the money right out of your account that way. But with Capital One, you should be able to sign right into your account. So just go to CapitalOne.com. So let's go to the home screen. Go to CapitalOne.com and then click sign in. Right here at the top, sign in, and then log into your account. Now, if you never create an account at all, you need to set up for online access. But that's how you can go ahead and make the payment. If you want to just start off and you want to just make a payment right away, maybe you don't have time to be logging in, just call them. Just call them, and then they'll be able to help you make that payment. But hopefully this works for you guys. And if you don't have a Capital One credit card, you kind of just being nosy, searching around. Don't forget, you can do a pre-approval for Capital One where you can go hover over credit cards, see if you're pre-approved. Go ahead and click there. And this is not going to be a hard inquiry at all, but they can pre-approve you for a credit card. Capital One allows you to have 2 personal credit cards and 2 business credit cards. So 4 credit cards total, but you can't have the same exact credit card. So remember that. But click right here on get started, or just, you can actually go ahead and just start filling it in here and continue with the pre-approval. Either or, whatever you want to do, but they'll let you know which ones they actually pre-approve you for. And then when you apply for it, you should be able to get approved for it. But it's still a pre-approval, so they can kind of deny you, but you should be able to get approved for it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I want to make sure I'm answering the questions for those in the comments. Don't forget, you guys, I have my exclusive credit membership for just $1, so make sure you guys sign up. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.